Connecticut foods are having a moment right now. Thanks to an itch for weekend adventures and a mission to sample every plate Connecticut offers, we've mapped out what are must-eat dishes and where to find them. Think of this as your insider's cookbook crossed with a road trip gossip. Ready to discover the best Connecticut foods? Let's get into it. Starting off with the best examples of each Connecticut food. New Haven a pizza. The best pizza in America isn't your everyday pizza. The showstopper in New Haven, Connecticut is the white clam a pizza. Little neck clams, garlic, olive oil, oregano, and all on that black char crust. It's a salty City of New Haven signature. A Connecticut lobster roll comes warm, bathed in clarified butter, and tucked into a buttered toasted roll. The sweetness of the lobster shines through. Perry's in Milford nailed the recipe back in 1926. Abbott's Lobster in the Rough and Guilford Lobster Pound are standouts. Fresh lobster, buttered roll with no gimmicks. It seems like everyone and their mom descends on Connecticut in the fall. So if that's your plan, we'll start off our list of local foodie spots with the undisputed king of autumn, the apple cider donut. Head to Blue Jay Orchards in Bethel or Beardsley Cider Mill in Shelton. You'll find warm, cinnamon sugar-coated donuts that taste like October in a bite. The other time people come in droves is during summer in Connecticut. And like summer in New England in general, the focus is on seafood. Start with the classics. Abbott's Lobster in the Rough in Noang. This place has dished out lobster dinners from a wooden shack with shingle siding and harbor views since 1947. Captain Scott's Lobster Dock in New London and Sea Swirl in Mystic are more local favorites. Want something a little different? Costello's Clam Shack in Noang has a second-story deck overlooking the Mystic River. And Shank's at Harborside serves from a fully renovated 42-foot lobster boat. Yes, you order your dinner from a boat. With over 5,500 farms tucked into our tiny state, the farm-to-table movement is how we roll. Chefs team up with farmers to generate menus that taste like each season. Top farm-to-table restaurants include Bailey's Backyard in Ridgefield, seasonal dishes built on strong local farm relationships. Community Table in New Preston, casual, elegant, and rooted in Litchfield Hills flavors. Farmhouse Restaurant in Newtown, award-winning menus and hyper-local ingredients. This is just the appetizer. Discover even more by downloading your copy of our free guide to Connecticut foods, the best spots and cuisines to enjoy throughout the year and throughout the region. Click the link in the description